Welcome to another edition of the Sundown series. We are still in Illinois, and today we will be talking about DeLand, Illinois. And this is going to be a very short one because there's not a lot to go off on this. But remember what I've told you. Whenever it comes to sundown towns, one of the biggest indicators is location and population. And the population for this town is so extremely low that it does not surprise me that it is a sundown town, and probably still is one. So I'm gonna go ahead and read what it says. DeLand is a village in Piatt County, Illinois, and y'all can correct me if I'm pronouncing this wrong. The population was 446 at the 2000 census. 446 people as of 10 years ago. I'm willing to bet that by now it hasn't changed much. Why even have that be a town? That's just taking up space. The name of the land. It is a small bedroom community. Small is an understatement. A few of the main shops are Casey's General Store, Barnyard, Treasures, and Auction House, DeLand's Farmers Grain Cooperative, and 2 antique shops. Now, when I tell you that this town is so small that under the history section that I'm going to read for you is literally only one word. I mean, not one word, one sentence. In 2002, the DeLand Board of Trustees acknowledged that it had passed a sundown town ordinance decades earlier. That's it. That's the only thing that they have written down there for it. The demographics are, as of the census of 2010, there were 446 people, 185 households, and 132 families residing in the village. There were 207 housing units, of which 185 were occupied. The racial makeup of the village was 98.4% white, 1.1% Hispanic, 0.9% of 2 or more races, 0.4% Asian, and 0.2% black. There were 185 households, out of which 27.6 had children under the age of 18 living with them. 55.1% were married couples living together. 8.6 had a female householder with no husband. 7.6 had a male household with no wife present. And 28.6 were non-families. 30.8% of all households had individuals under 18 years of age, and 29.2% had individuals who were 65 years of age or older. The average household size was 2.41 and the average family size was 2.84. Let's see, the median income for the village, because this isn't even a town, it's a village, was $40,982, and the median income for a family was $45,156. Males had a median income of $31,429 versus females for $20,893. The per capita income for the village was $17,377. About 4.9% of families and 4.6% of the population were below the poverty line, including 2.8% of the under age of 18 and 9.5% of those aged 65 or over. Now listen to this. They have a local town school. This town is so small that this school literally serves in 2 different places. Let me read to you what it says. DeLand Weldon High School is a school that serves both towns and the surrounding areas. It is the 20th smallest high school and the 3rd smallest public high school in the state, with a total enrollment of 54 students. That's how small this town is, that only 54 students go to the school, but it holds, or I should say multiple towns go there and only 54 students actually attend the school. That's how small this town is. And that's why I'm not surprised that this is a sundown town, or should I say a sundown village. I have never heard of this place. I need to know from my people who are from Illinois. Have you ever heard of this place called, is it DeLand, whatever it's pronounced? Because it shouldn't even be on the map. Like that, that's wild. But like I said, this is an educational platform. This is an educational series we're doing here. Because I definitely just learned a thing or two about that place. And I can tell you right now, if I ever have a chance to go to Illinois, I definitely would not go anywhere near this place. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it down in the comments, and I will talk to you in the next one.